In today's video, I'll show you how to reset and change your password in Microsoft Teams. This is an important process to know, especially if you want to keep your account secure and protect your information. Let's get straight into the steps. First, go to the Microsoft Teams website. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button. This may seem like a simple step, but it's your secure entry point to everything Teams has to offer, so it's important to make sure you're signing in safely. After signing in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you manage your personal settings and account options. Click on your profile icon to open the menu. From the menu, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your account management page, which acts as the control center for your Microsoft identity. Here, you can update your personal information, adjust security settings, and manage how your account works across Microsoft services. Once you're on the Microsoft account page, find and click the Change Password option. This is where you can update your password to improve your account security. When creating a new password, make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Using a strong and unique password helps protect your account from unauthorized access. It's also a good habit to change your password regularly and avoid reusing passwords from other platforms. This extra step greatly reduces security risks and helps keep your data safe. If you need help at any point, Microsoft provides on-screen tips and instructions to guide you through the process smoothly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your Microsoft Teams password and take better control of your account security. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.